It's been about 2.5 years since I've cleaned this last. I'm going to show you a few steps on how to do it and what you need, and hopefully have a laugh. Alrighty, so I've got the list here of what you'll need to clean your new dome. So the first thing you'll need: warm soapy water, mild detergent. Don't want any harsh chemicals, nothing like bleach or anything like that, because it will affect the PVC over time. It won't fall apart on the first use. Please just don't use it because it will degrade the life expectancy of the PVC. Replace that instead with number 3, which is vinegar. Vinegar is, very natural, helps to pick up the imperfections, all the bits and bobs, helps to bring it out. A ladder, that's to get up to the higher points. Please be safe when using a ladder. You can lean it up against the frame of your dome. When you lean the ladder up against it, is on a bar. Number 5 is definitely can-do attitude. It gives you a chance to bake out in the sun, get your vitamin D exposure. Try and have some fun with it, I guess, with the way to go. In order to actually clean the dome, we've got soft bristle brushes, sponges, and or magic erasers. Really effective on the PVC. So highly recommend that. We'll just start cleaning, I guess. Wow, look at the difference up there. That's crazy. On that basis, we haven't cleaned this for 2.5 years. This is not a video to suggest that, because it can, especially with things that harden the cover. This is still quite flexible, but the bay window definitely does solidify, I guess. It becomes quite brittle and then slowly starts sort of chipping away over time, especially in harsh climates. That's why we're not doing the clear PVC anymore. Like I said, this was the first one, 5.5 years. But we do recommend, please try and clean every 3 months just to get that life expectancy out of it as much as possible, especially if you're using it for commercial purposes. It looks a lot better, makes your guests feel a lot better. The premise of what we're building is premium feel, longevity, minimal maintenance. But this colored PVC, we haven't had an issue with yet. This is 5.5 years old. It feels so fresh, it feels so flexible. Hopefully you can see that. It's nice and flexible still. That's what we'll continue to use, at least until proven otherwise. But we've got domes out for 5.5 years and still soldiering on. Other than that, this is Jesse from King Dome showing you how to clean a dome. Happy days. Cheers.